The Digital Manufacturing Lab, powered by Alliant Energy, is truly the physical manifestation of solutions to problems within the Iowa economy, whether it's workforce development, technology integration, or purely innovative problem solving. Investing in Iowa State, investing in CIRAS, provides our customers and our communities that we serve the opportunity to collaborate and innovate in ways that they couldn't in their own communities.
This gives us an opportunity to have a completely different conversation when we sit down with these folks, is to ask them that very simple question that we often forget about is, what keeps you up at night? What's the one problem that we could help you solve today?
CIRAS is a center here at Iowa State University. CIRAS, Center for Industrial Research and Service, was created in 1963 with a mission to help Iowa industries improve and prosper. CIRAS does a survey every 2 years with Iowa companies. We understand those needs, and one of those needs that we heard was the need for digital manufacturing, Internet of Things, technology advancements. We then approached both the state and Alliant with options on how to make that reality. Alliant helped us with funding to support this lab that we're in today. And the mission of the lab is to basically help companies de-risk technology adoption.
At the facility, we have a few different areas. The first space that everyone kind of gets to see is the actual digital manufacturing lab, which consists of all the tangible technology. It has the 3D printer, the 3D scanners, the cobots, and the autonomous vehicles. And that's the kind of the physical space that we can test technology. On the other side of the vestibule, we have the Alliant Energy innovation space, and that's really an office space that allows for our students and faculty and staff to come engage with us and with our communities and our customers. We can do different things in that space to engage the university and engage campus. We're seeing opportunities to get involved with different parts of campus and provide true collaborative learning, which is exciting because when collaboration happens, economic success happens.